Hey, in case nobody's asked you this today, are you okay? Are you really fine? I mean, you know it's okay to feel a little off sometimes. It's alright that you don't want to smile. You don't need to explain bad moments away. We all get them and get through them. Don't forget that even the darkest clouds have the sun shining on the other side. So give it time, and you will be fine. I was just calling to check on you because I was thinking of you. And I wanted to make sure that you're doing okay. Let me know. Let me know if you're not. If you're not. If you're not. I'm always here.